.net.au. In this video I'll be going through our bank to binary trading strategy. This trading strategy applies two principles. Basically, the first principle is to look for an asset where the current price is either quite high above the price that it was an hour ago to half an hour ago, or the other way where it's quite lower than the value that was an hour ago. Right now we can actually see that the USD Japanese currency pair is trading around 93 points, whereas just over an hour ago it was 93.2 points. This fits into the first criteria. The second criteria is that this gap must be at least 0.1 difference in value. If it's any less, then it's too close. We can switch over to the candlestick representation of the same graph, and this gives you an idea also of what we're looking at. Alright, so we can see here that this is the current resistance level, and I'll do another one showing the price 12.15, 11.15. So around about here is where the price has been trading. So we're going to be saying that this is going to be going back up, which you can actually really see this is on its way. Alright, so let's get this trade executed. Alright, so we'll do an up call. Expiry is going to be in 30 minutes from now. So we'll do an up call. We'll put in our investment amount of $100 with a potential payout of $70 if we get this correct. So we'll hit apply, and that's now gone in. Okay, and that auto approves after 3 seconds. And you'll see down here that the position is now open, and we can follow the position up until the 6 o'clock expiry time. But we'll close that now as we'll look at some other charts. Okay, so we'll look at the Australian dollar USD pair, and actually you can see that the price here is actually quite higher than what it was an hour ago. So let's just double check this on a candlestick graph. I just use freestockcharts.com. It's a really good website. Okay, so you can see here it's been trading at a high today at around about $1.02. Yet half an hour ago, 11:30, 12:15, 11:15, it was a lot lower around about here. So this one I'll leave alone. This might actually sort of look like it's going a bit sideways, so I'll leave this trade alone. You can see here this would have been a good time to get in going up, and then through this action it's probably a bit too sideways for us. So let's see if we can find another asset that fits our criteria. Another reason why the Australian USD doesn't fit our criteria is that the difference between the two prices is less than 0.1. It's in the tenths, so we'll leave that one alone. Okay, let's bring up the Euro USD. Okay, very sort of sideways looking chart. We want something that's really dramatic, going in one bearish trend or bullish trend. Let's bring up some stocks. Bring up Tata Steel. Okay, it's got, again, it's gone very sideways here for a while. Let's see if we can bring it up in the graph. This is Tata Motors, not the one I'm after. Bring up Tata Motors here. Again, no, this is not what I'm after. Very sideways trend. Let's have a look at the ASX future. A bit sideways. Let's have a look at gold. It's a bit sideways. Oil. No. Silver. No. That just came up then. Okay. I think silver might be a candidate. So we'll bring up silver. Actually, well, this only shows me stocks. It's okay. So you can see here with silver, it was trading an hour ago at 28.75 and currently it's trading at 28.71. So this actually doesn't qualify either because the value is smaller than 0.1. We need it to be at least 0.1 or greater in difference for this strategy to fit our criteria and get more winning trades. Alright, so I'll pause this video and come back with about 2 minutes to go to see how our USD Japan trade is going and see how it expires. Okay, so we've resumed the video and you'll see here that the asset closed out in the money, so our payout was $172, which is a win, which is good news. If we go back to the chart, we can see here that it broke through like how we were hoping. Okay, that's all for this video. Good luck with using this trading strategy. I'm sure it'll work for you. May all your trades be profitable.